Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Crescent Beach is a charming community located in Surrey, British Columbia. Situated along the shores of Boundary Bay and Mud Bay, it offers residents and visitors a peaceful retreat with scenic views and a rich history. The area has been a summer destination for centuries. Before European settlers arrived, indigenous peoples, including the Semiahmoo First Nation, used the land seasonally. They took advantage of the tidal mudflats for clam digging, and gathered wild berries in the nearby areas. Today, Crescent Beach is home to approximately 1,200 residents. The community is known for its relaxed atmosphere, making it a popular spot for walking, cycling, and enjoying the natural surroundings. The area features landmarks such as Alexandra Neighborhood House, Wixon Pier, and Blackie Spit Park. Blackie Spit Park is particularly notable for birdwatching, as it serves as a rest stop for migratory birds along the Pacific Flyway. For those interested in exploring the area, Crescent Beach offers a variety of recreational activities, including swimming, sailing, tennis, water polo, volleyball, and triathlon lessons through the Crescent Beach Swim Club. The community's natural beauty and historical significance make it a unique and inviting destination in British Columbia.
Thanks for watching!